Clean teak wood furniture. Did you fall in love with a teak wood patio set? You just had to have the set, but now that you've gotten it home you have no idea how to care for it. If this is your situation, then don't worry. You can care for teak wood by following these steps to clean teak wood furniture. Check the manufacturer. Before you begin cleaning, check the manual or guide that came with your teak furniture. Some manufacturers treat the teak with a protective coating or sealer. Others do not. The manufacturer might also recommend a cleaner or sealant that won't conflict with how the furniture was originally treated. Rinse to remove loose dirt. Lightly spray your teak wood furniture to remove any dirt or dust. Wash with a mild detergent and soft brush. Use a soft brush dipped in a bucket of warm water and mild detergent. Lightly scrub away stains and ground in dirt. Check all corners, seams and crevices are free of dirt. Rinse again. Thoroughly rinse the teak wood furniture to remove any residue from the detergent and the debris that was scrubbed loose. Air dry the furniture. Set the furniture aside and let it air dry. Teak wood contains natural oils that seal out water so the teak will dry quickly. Seal and protect, optional. If you prefer the original wood-toned look of your teak, then it will need to be sealed to protect it from natural aging and discoloration. Apply the sealant according to the manufacturer's guidelines. If you prefer to allow your teak wood to naturally age to the classic light gray tone, then skip this step. Teak wood is comfortable near the water and will last longer in a humid climate than many other woods, but you need to take proper care of your teak. Keep in mind that teak wood furniture is supposed to age and turn to a grayish color. If you don't want your teak wood to age naturally, you will need to clean and protect several times a year to preserve the original wood color.